Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Patrice Permante from Bungabon, Nueva Ecija, Philippines. I'm 28 years old, married. I have one son, age 5 years old, and I'm a high school graduate. My previous job here in Philippines, I work as a domestic helper. 2 years experience, family of 3, 1 child and 2 adults. My daily duties is taking care of the baby, cleaning the house, cooking, washing the dishes and clothes, ironing, marketing, and also car washing and simple gardening. To my future employer, please choose me as your helper because I'm a loyal, dedicated, and hardworking woman, and I promise I will do my best to improve all my skills, and I promise to finish my contract and to work with you as long as you need me. Thank you and God bless.